Stiff neck. In this video, I will explain how to fix and get rid of stiff neck. In fact, neck contains muscle, tendons, ligaments, and bones. These work together to support the head and allow it to move in many directions. The neck may become stiff or painful when overused or injured, and also rarely become a sign of serious illness. Medical treatment. But before we start, take a moment to subscribe our channel and turn on notifications. So, this area you have to massage. At the point I press R, you have to relaxation. Basically, all those points are causing stiff neck. If hurts to look left, there are problems with the left side. So, massage slowly at those areas with your feeling. Massage from your neck to shoulder and next to shoulder blade area. If hurts to look right, there are problems with the right side. The way are same as before. The second way. This way is quickly. Just press it with palm of the hand. Look at these muscles. Here you understand why you have to press into under while bowing your head to the under. So, we pull the problematic muscles back into place. It should be noted, for emphasis have to coincide with the head bowed. Be better, the head is moved alone without power, and do it until pain is reduced. Press from shoulder until shoulder blade. It's same ways for massage the right side. Do as I demonstrated. If there is no change, it means you are wrong and you can try again. But still no change, immediately go to your doctor.